When comparing NASA's Artemis mission, which hinges on the Space Launch System, SLS, to SpaceX's Mars mission plans centered around the Starship rocket, we see two very different approaches to space exploration. Both missions are ambitious and aim to push humanity deeper into space, but they differ significantly in their goals, timelines, and the challenges they face. The Artemis program is NASA's initiative to return humans to the moon with the long-term goal of establishing a sustainable presence on the lunar surface. The moon is seen as a stepping stone to even more distant destinations such as Mars. The Artemis mission is not just about exploration, but also about developing new technologies and gathering valuable data that will be critical for future deep space missions. The SLS rocket is designed to be a heavy-lift vehicle capable of carrying astronauts, cargo, and scientific equipment beyond Earth's orbit. However, the primary focus remains on lunar exploration, with Mars as a more distant goal. In contrast, SpaceX, under the leadership of Elon Musk, is laser-focused on Mars. The company's goal is nothing short of making humanity a multiplanetary species. SpaceX's Starship rocket is designed to be fully reusable and capable of carrying large numbers of people and cargo to Mars. Musk's vision includes the establishment of a permanent, self-sustaining colony on the Red Planet. While SpaceX does plan to contribute to lunar exploration and has been contracted by NASA to provide a lunar lander based on Starship, Mars remains the ultimate destination. NASA's SLS is a traditional, government-funded project that draws on decades of spaceflight experience. The SLS uses a combination of existing technology, like the engines from the Space Shuttle, and new developments. The rocket is designed for heavy lift capabilities, and while it is extremely powerful, it is also incredibly expensive and not reusable. This approach reflects NASA's focus on safety and reliability, with extensive testing and quality control measures. SpaceX's approach is more innovative and disruptive. The Starship rocket is designed to be fully reusable, which is a game changer in terms of cost reduction. SpaceX's iterative design process, where rockets are built and tested quickly with the expectation of frequent failures, allows for rapid development. This has already resulted in significant advancements in a relatively short period. Starship is intended to be a versatile spacecraft capable of carrying out a variety of missions, from Earth orbit to deep space exploration. The Artemis program is facing several challenges, particularly around the SLS. As the NASA Inspector General's report highlighted, there are significant concerns about quality control, workforce training, and management at Boeing, the contractor responsible for key components of the SLS. These issues raise questions about the timeline and reliability of the Artemis missions. Moreover, the cost of the SLS is extremely high, with each launch costing billions of dollars, which has led to criticism and concerns about the sustainability of the program. SpaceX's Mars mission is no less challenging, but the nature of the challenges differs. The Starship rocket is still in the development phase, and while progress has been impressive, the project has experienced numerous setbacks, including several high-profile explosions during testing. SpaceX is also tackling the immense challenge of sustaining human life on Mars, which involves developing life support systems, radiation protection, and the logistics of a Mars colony. However, SpaceX's approach of rapidly testing and iterating on its designs allows it to learn and adapt quickly. The Artemis program has set a goal of landing the next astronauts on the moon by the mid-2020s, with a more permanent lunar presence established in the following decade. However, given the recent issues with the SLS, there is concern that delays could push this timeline further out. NASA's methodical approach prioritizes safety and reliability, but can result in slower progress. SpaceX has set an ambitious timeline for reaching Mars, with plans to send the first crewed mission as early as the late 2020s. While this timeline is extremely aggressive and might slip due to the enormous technical challenges, SpaceX's rapid development cycle gives it a unique advantage. If SpaceX can overcome the hurdles it faces, it could potentially land humans on Mars before NASA makes significant strides towards a Mars mission. NASA's Artemis mission carries the weight of historical legacy and government backing. It has strong support from the international community and aims to inspire a new generation of space enthusiasts. The mission is seen as a vital part of humanity's journey back to the moon and beyond, with a focus on collaboration and sustainability. SpaceX, on the other hand, has captured the public's imagination with its bold vision of colonizing Mars. Elon Musk's charisma and the company's track record of achieving the seemingly impossible have generated significant excitement. SpaceX has positioned itself as the company that will lead humanity to its next frontier, with a focus on innovation and pushing boundaries. In summary, while both NASA's Artemis mission and SpaceX's Mars mission aim to expand humanity's reach into space, they represent different philosophies and approaches to exploration. Artemis is rooted in tradition, safety, and step-by-step progression, focusing first on the moon with Mars as a distant goal. SpaceX, however, is driven by a bold vision of a future on Mars, embracing risk and innovation to achieve its goals. Which approach do you think will have a greater impact on the future of space exploration? Will NASA's cautious, methodical strategy prove to be the right path? Or will SpaceX's daring, rapid development lead humanity to Mars sooner than we expect? Don't forget to hit that like button, smash subscribe for more jaw-dropping space updates, and join us as we embark on a cosmic journey like never before.